What if you could make this amount of money in a week? Most of people are out there looking of ways to make this right here. So we most probably went on YouTube, you went on Facebook, you went on Google Chrome, you went on all these apps and you couldn't find a way. So I think I've got a way for you. Disclaimer. So with all that said, my name is Mahlet Tamaha and I help you with tips and tricks either to grow your social media influence or get money or anything. As you can see, this is part 1, which means there are more ways coming in the future where you can make ching ching, make those coins, make the okay, this is the hottest topic we're ever gonna talk about in this channel. We are talking about making cash. So this is part 1, as you saw, which means there are more videos coming in the future on how to make these dollars, these rands, whatever currency you are in right now. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video. In today's video, we'll be focusing on one website which you can go and start making money, but you have to give them a service. So one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that I'm assuming right now that you don't have any money, you don't have nothing, you have $0.00. So we are talking about making you your first $200 in a week. So the website which we'll be using today is rev.com. Rev.com is a transcriptionist or a captionist website. So what happens on rev.com is that you go there and you register, just scroll down, go to freelance, and once you get freelancers, you just want to click on transcriptionist or captionist. I chose transcriptionist, and one thing I wanted to tell you again is that I won't give you any websites or any tricks or tips that which I haven't used myself, so just trust me on that. I won't sell any app to you. This is not a paid sponsorship, and yeah, so don't worry about anything. I'm not going to lie to you. I registered as a transcriptionist, and you have to go through a few questions, and then you have to transcript a mp3 file. They're going to give you a transcript which you must correct, and you will just do that. After doing that, you're going to submit, and then they will respond to you within 30 days whether you have been approved or you've been disapproved. So I was disapproved twice before being approved. So upon being approved, then you can start making money by transcripting transcripts or mp3 files. I don't know what we would call them, but yeah, you have to make money. You would have to you would have to transcript files, and once for companies. And one thing that I love about it is that they give you files about countries, about companies. For example, if there was a conference overseas, for example, if they were talking about the World War II and World War One, you are going to transcript World War One and transcript everything they say in the video. So just make sure that you go register. And how much do you make per week with this? The range of money which you can make from rev.com ranges from how you work. So if you work, they pay out on Mondays, and they pay you for the work you did from Monday to Saturday. So if you worked Monday to Saturday and you have at least the average amount of transcripts that you have done, it ranges from $150 to $250. So the range is $200. That's why the title of this video is how to make $200 in a week. So yeah, it was not clickbaiting, And yeah, this is my first video talking about the money topic, and there are more of how to make money videos which I have recorded. Just make sure that you have subscribed. Ting! And sorry, make sure you have subscribed and clicked on post notifications so you never miss an upload, because we want to make that cash. So make sure that you have subscribed. And yeah, so how do you cash out with rev.com? Rev.com pays via PayPal. You must have a PayPal account, and then you must, when you have reached the threshold, so they pay via PayPal. And yeah, then you just have to put in your PayPal details, and then once you make money on rev.com, you can start getting paid. They pay out on Mondays, I think around 5 p.m. yeah, and I don't know if it's Eastern time, Pacific. Yeah, it's Pacific time. They pay at 5 p.m. Pacific time. And yeah, so that's the payment. And one thing I like about Rev is that you make money while transcripting. So if transcripting is what you love, you're going to make money by just transcripting. So it's one thing I love about it. And if rev.com doesn't work for you, just like it didn't work for me in the start, there are more ways to make money online. For example, in the next video which I'll be making, which is part 2, is going to be let's just make it a let's make it a surprise. So just make sure to have your post notifications on when you have subscribed, so that you are the first to be notified once that video is released. If rev.com doesn't work for you, just wait for part 2, because part 2 is definitely gonna work for you. So make sure to have your post notifications on, and let's turn this channel into a cash channel. I'm gonna give you tips and tricks to grow money. And don't forget, this is not a get rich quick scheme, so make sure that you're not going to be expecting millions of dollars. This is not the channel for that. So yeah, that is all about rev.com. And don't forget to subscribe and like and turn on post notifications so you never miss an upload. And I'm just going to be recording the other videos which will be popping up soon. So don't forget to subscribe and like, turn on post notifications, and share this video to your friends and family who want to make money. Yeah, that's all from me. Don't forget to subscribe and like, guys. I'm out. Peace.